In revenue, there is a concept Marshall-Lerner condition. So in this lesson, we have to discuss Marshall-Lerner condition. ये जो है वो बहुत इम्पोर्टेंट है क्योंकि हमारी यूजी स्पेशली यूजीसी नेट में जो आती है हमारी मैथमेटिकल कैलकुलेशन आती है उसमें मैक्सिमम AR MR की कैलकुलेशन आती है। अगर हमारी मार्शल-लर्नर कंडीशन की जो फार्मूला है वो क्लियर होगी तो डिफरेंशिएशन पढ़ने के बाद हम उसे बिल्कुल बड़ी अच्छी तरह से कर पाएंगे। Look, what about the formula? Formula is nothing but MR equal to AR 1 minus 1 by E. We all know that E is elasticity. So MR is equal to AR is equal to P, means average revenue equal to price. So MR is equal to P whole into 1 minus 1 by E. So we have to remember that MR is equal to AR whole into 1 minus 1 by E. Formula is this one. It is very important. You have to remember. Then after go to next point. Point I. Case I. Look, when E is equal to infinity, we see that in elasticity, when E is equal to infinity, means it is perfectly elastic. MR equal to AR whole into 1 minus alpha, because we say that AR is equal to 1 minus 1 by E. So here E is equal to infinity. So that 1 minus 1 by infinity. So 1 by infinity equal to 0. So AR whole into 1 minus 0. Something minus 0 is equal to, this is no value, AR into 1. So when E is equal to infinity, MR equal to AR. When E equal to 1, if elasticity is equal to 1, means unitary elasticity, MR equal to AR whole into 1 minus 1 by 1. So AR equal to 1 minus 1. So AR into 1 minus 1 equal to 0. So AR is equal to 0 into something is equal to 0. So here if MR is equal to 0, TR is maximum. In the next page in this figure, we have to discuss if MR is equal to 0, then TR is maximum and constant. So here only we also know that if E is equal to infinity, then MR equal to AR. If E equal to 1, then MR is equal to 0 and TR is maximum. If E is less than 1, suppose for example E is equal to 0.2, MR is equal to AR whole into 1 minus 0.2. So AR is equal to 1 minus 10 by 2. And so AR is equal to 1 minus 5. So, sorry, this is, yes, it's all right. So this is minus 4 into AR. So MR is equal to minus 4 AR. So when MR is equal to negative, TR falling. When E is equal to less than 1, means when it is relatively elastic, then MR equal to negative and TR falling. When E is equal to greater than 1, let E is equal to 20. It is relatively elastic. MR is equal to AR whole into 1 minus 1 by 20. So AR is equal to 1 minus 0.5. So AR into 0.5. So it is positive. MR is something point which is positive. So when MR equal to positive, TR is equal to increasing. So you have to remember, when E is equal to infinity, MR equal to AR. When E equal to 1, MR is equal to 0 and TR is maximum. When E is equal to less than 1, MR is negative and TR falling. When E is equal to greater than 1, then MR positive and TR increasing. Thank you. And one more thing, you have to know the shape of the elasticity curve. different elasticity में जो डिमांड कर्व होती है वो डिफरेंट होती है, उसे अच्छी तरह से देखना और याद करना, और इस फार्मूला को भी अच्छी तरह से याद करना. थैंक यू.